Welcome, here I've got Motorola Edge 20 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera shooter sound at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are on standard photo mode. Let me take a picture. As you can hear, the sound is turned on. To turn it off, let's go to the right corner button to open the advanced camera settings, and here we have to pick capture settings category. Now we get access to shooter sound option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn it off and turn it on as we need. Now let me keep it turned off. When we move back to the camera and when I take another picture, we can't hear anything. And of course when we tap to the right corner button once again to the capture settings and shooter sound, we can hear it when I take another picture. That's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.